So student, next topic is freezing point or solidification. So it is the process in which a substance in a liquid state on cooling changes into solid state at a fixed temperature, and this process is called freezing or solidification. And the freezing temperature at standard atmospheric pressure is called freezing point. For example, water freezes into ice at 0 degrees Celsius. So mean to say कि freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius and freezing point of mercury is minus 39 degrees Celsius. So heat is released at fixed freezing point by liquid is called latent heat of freezing. For example, water on freezing at 0 degrees Celsius, that's 0 degrees Celsius, the fixed temperature, that's the freezing point of water. It releases heat that is 80 calorie per gram. 80 calorie per gram. This is the latent heat of water. So there are some main points for the melting point. So pure solid melting point is fixed, it cannot be changed, it will be fixed, will not be changed. And no two pure solids can have same melting point. And third one is melting point of solid changes with changes in atmosphere. Yes, if the temperature, atmospheric pressure is changed, then the melting point of solid also changes. And the fourth one is that the melting point of a solid may change due to impurities. If is there any impurity present in the pure solid, then the melting point will be changed. It may be increased or it may be decreased. And the next is vaporization or boiling point. Yes, again process in which a substance in liquid state on heating changes into vapor or a gaseous state at a fixed temperature and at a standard atmospheric pressure. That process is called vaporization or boiling point, and the fixed temperature at a standard atmospheric pressure is called boiling temperature or vaporization point. And as you know that heat is absorbed at a fixed temperature, so that it is converted from liquid to gaseous state and at a fixed boiling point, and that is called latent heat of vaporization. For example, boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, and latent heat, that is the heat is absorbed by the liquid to convert into gaseous state at a fixed boiling point, that is at 100 degrees Celsius, is 540 calorie per gram.